How to change audio settings on Hulu. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Move into the site hulu.com. It will land you on this official page of Hulu. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out. In here it says, if your Hulu shows or movies are not playing in the desired language, we recommend working through the suggestion below. So the very first thing you want to do is to check the language settings on Hulu. While watching your video, pull up the playback controls by selecting gear wheel icon. If there are options for multiple languages, make sure the desired language is selected. The next step is to check the language settings on your device. Head to your device settings menu and double check that the language settings are set to the desired language. After that, you have to ensure the correct version is playing. If you have a show available in different languages, we may have to separate show page for each language. Please double check that you are playing the correct version. Now the next thing you want to do is check your audio settings. On TV connected device, visit the settings menu and ensure that stereo is selected for audio. On a computer or mobile device, check the volume control found in the lower corner of the video in order to make sure that it isn't muted or that the volume isn't set too low. So this way you will be able to change the audio settings on Hulu. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.